All right, we made it to the end, the fourth and final social media trend of 2021 here on 2 Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's go. So each one of us has our own unique traits, and these traits are important to our social media marketing because it's what allows us to connect with an audience that matches the values and personality of our brand. Now, these are the traits that we shouldn't compromise on because they make up who we are. But there is one trait that I'm going to recommend that you add starting now, and that's to become more nimble. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock and let's talk about how marketers who are able to be more nimble will thrive on social media in 2021 and going forward. Alright, so 2020 threw everything it had at us. It's in the past, it's in the rearview mirror, and we're not looking back. But we shouldn't ignore the lessons that 2020 had to teach us. And one of the biggest lessons learned from 2020 was expect the unexpected. And the only way to manage your marketing when expecting the unexpected is to be more nimble. Alright, so let me explain. Planning out our social media content gives us the ability to put our marketing on autopilot so we can focus on other important initiatives. Therefore, we take the time to build out a calendar filled with content that matches homebuyer needs and wants that also align with the seasonality of the real estate industry. Or we outsource our social media marketing to a company that uses a generic cookie cutter approach to posting content to our social channels. But what happens when homebuyer sentiment and expectations take a 180-degree turn due to a pandemic, or their emotions are on edge due to a charged environment? Things change. Okay, so not every year will be 2020, but if nothing else, the year has shown us that we need to be more nimble and pivot our social media content at a moment's notice. That's why social media marketers are throwing their annual content calendar out the window and replacing it with a month-by-month approach. Now, this will benefit you in two ways. One, it keeps you from investing time and money into content that may not align with homebuyer sentiment later on in the year. It also allows you to quickly modify your approach to social media content as homebuyer expectations, the real estate industry, and overall sentiment change throughout the year. Now, if this is the approach that you're already taking to social media, good on you, because flying by the seat of my pants is something that does not come easy for me. And for the majority of us, it will take time and practice, but we're looking for progress and not perfection in our growth. So stay nimble, my friends. It is the fourth and final social media trend of 2021 that will help us become more savvy marketers. Thank you all for tuning in to another episode of 2 Minute Tip Tuesday. Do me a favor, like and share this episode if you found it helpful, and make sure you subscribe to get notified every time we publish more great content to help you grow your business. Take care, be good, and I will see you all on next week's episode of 2 Minute Tip Tuesday.